Hi guys, I am going to read English newspaper. Government schools now rival private institutions, says CM Atisi. Government schools in Delhi matching up to private ones seemed to be a distant dream 10 years ago, but it is now a reality because of the dispensation that prioritizes education, Chief Minister Atisi said on Tuesday. Inaugurating a four-story academic block at Government Girls Senior Secondary School in Mukundpur village, she said it was even more impressive than private schools. Earlier, there were 80 students in one classroom and it affected the quality of learning. But with the new building, the education standards will improve significantly, she said, according to a statement from the Chief Minister's office. The new building features 36 classrooms, the three state of the art laboratories, Sia, and a principal's office. Around 1000 students from Samta Vihar and Mukundpur village are expected to benefit from it. It said the AAP government has built over 22,000 classrooms in the last 10 years, surpassing the work done in previous decades, Atisi said. I studied in a big private school, but even there we did not have such a well equipped geography lab. The models and equipment students once only read about are now accessible here. Atisi praised the confidence of students, saying there was a time when students were not even allowed to touch lab equipment. Today they are confidently explaining its use, reflecting the progress in our education system. 10 years ago, it seemed like a dream that government schools could match private ones. Today, it is a reality because the people of Delhi chose a government that prioritizes education, she said. AAP MLA from Burari, Sanjeev Jha, said the new building marks a significant milestone, reducing the burden on nearly schools in Model Town and Adarsh Nagar, where many Mukundpur students currently go. See further elaborated on the broader education reforms undertaken since 2015. 10 years ago, government schools were in shambles, often referred to as tent schools with leaking roofs and students sitting on mats. Today, Delhi allocates 25% of its budget to education, the highest in the country. We have also sent our teachers to world class institutes, institu- institutions like Cambridge, Harvard, and Singapore for training, enabling them to deliver quality education. Atisi noted the impact of these reforms, stating, for the past 8 years, Delhi's government schools have consistently outperformed private schools. Thousands of students from poor families are now qualifying for competitive exams like JEE and NEET, gaining admission to prestigious institutes. Thank you guys for watching this.